Hello, this is Todd Spears again, and this video I wanted to show you how to use Content Amigo. Okay, first of all, I already have it installed here, but I'll show you how to install it as well. It's pretty simple. Click on your plugins, click on Add New, and then you'll want to upload, and then after you've downloaded the zip file from our members area, so click on Browse and find the zip folder, click Install, and on the next screen is an Activate link. That's it. You're activated. Then you see this Content Amigo. Okay, the first thing you'll want to do is register it. Click on this right here. It'll drop down and you can put in your registered email and your password. The same email and password to the members area. And let's just go over this one by one. This is your comment sources from Yahoo Answers. Just click on this right here and fill in a couple of, get an account, and you'll get a long key that looks like this. And you put that there. That's if you want to use Yahoo Answers for comments. I recommend it. And next one is image and video content sources. We have Flickr images enabled, yes. We need a Flickr developers key, and you click get it here and go get one. Very simple, very easy. In-house images, we have our own selection of images that we've scraped and put in our own database. Try to pull from there. Always keep these yes. YouTube videos, always keep that yes too. Decreases your bounce rate. Let people come to your site and watch some videos. They'll hang around for a few minutes longer. Now our next section is the content spinning. And what we do is we go and get articles from different places across the web. Some of them are from easy articles and article base, and they have resource boxes, and there it's enabled. It shows the display boxes, yes, by default. This is a mild spell fix, yes. Mild random synonymizer, yes, that's fine too. It changes it up a little bit. This is pretty cool too. If you have this, if you have the best spinner, then you probably don't need this one. Okay, set that to no, and you can sort of use this more advanced feature here for languages. If you have the best spinner, it's probably the best way to go. You can get a copy of that here. The language translator is good. I use it all the time. Never had a problem with it. I don't normally do English to French to back to English. I usually don't do a double translation in here because sometimes it gets really strange, but not all the time. If you wanted to just if you wanted to just to leave it in Spanish, you can do that. Leave it in Spanish. I like to come back to English. So make your selections there. Play with it a little bit. See how you like it. Don't worry too much about the content of the page on these blog networks. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be good enough. Google's not. They're not. You know, they're just not everything people make them out to be sometimes, okay? And when I say that I've been doing blog networks and developing content for years, I mean it. And I've done it all through experience, not through forum rumors, okay? I do this through experience, and this usually always works, okay? So don't try to make it out to be something that it's not. Go with what I'm talking about here. Whoops, let me close that off. Content dripping options. You can set how many hours between your posts. Just make a selection. 24 for older stuff, maybe a little slower for newer stuff. 24 is fine. You can backdate. If you have an old blog, you can backdate with some other older content in there. And then you can select the number of initial posts. And then we move on to the next one, keyword phrases. And in this section, we just either select an existing category or create a new one and fill it in with keywords. So this is electric guitars. This is electric guitar keywords. And the next one is, actually this is acoustic guitars. Whoops. And this one is bass guitars. I forgot to set this earlier, so don't forget to do that. So now I have acoustic guitar keywords, bass guitar keywords, and electric guitar keywords. But you know what? In all honesty, it doesn't matter. The reason why we post content to our blogs on a regular basis is so that we ping the search engines. The search engines come to our blogs and they traverse our backlinks. And that's the point of a blog network, is bringing spiders to your blogs. Read the content. It doesn't really matter too much as long as they get to your outbound links. That's the point. Spiders come, they hit the outbound links, they send that back to their processing center, and that's how you get rankings, is through the backlinks. So content's important, but it's not everything. It'll work. And that's basically it. Okay, that's Content Amigo. Few simple settings, set them once, you'll never change them again. This thing will post forever, never stops. Okay, now here's what happens when you click restart blog. If you click restart blog, it's going to use the first category. Okay, if you select electric guitars, it's going to go look at the electric guitar category, and if you click restart and there's anything in that, any posts inside this category, it's going to delete them and start over. Okay, and only on an initial start does it use the first category. These other two categories are not touched. Later on in the dripping options, it's going to randomly select a category and a keyword from within here. If it selects category 2, then it's going to select a random keyword in here, and it's going to try to make a post, and if it can't find any content based on the keyword that it chose, then it's going to throw it away and get another one. One of the good things that this product does is it doesn't post garbage content. If the keyword says Gibson acoustic guitars, then the content's going to be about Gibson acoustic guitars, or it's not going to post. So you don't have to worry about totally irrelevant content. This Content Amigo does a great job of doing that. Okay, update settings. And I'm not going to restart this blog because there's no point in that. I just want to go out here and show you what some of the posts that it's made. Resource box right here, again, it's turned on and it's fine. Give people some backlink love. How to make an electric guitar. There are many factors to consider when choosing an electric guitar, and the impact factor of each of them, the choice of guitars available for you to buy in the market. Sounds pretty good. Good enough. Don't sweat the small stuff. This is good enough. Trust me, it works. And we can dig around here, but I don't want to waste too much of your time just looking at this. If you want to go look at this blog, go to mrtnt.com. It's my test blog. Okay, mrtnt.com. And that's it, folks. That is Content Amigo, and it's that simple. Don't sweat trying to be too complicated. Don't sweat the small stuff. Just put it in, let it do its job, and it will do its job. It'll do what it's supposed to do. Trust me, I know. I've been using this variations of this exact thing for years now. I'm just now releasing it. So that's Content Amigo, and hopefully you picked up LinkFoo as well. LinkFoo is a way to put your links out in the blog where you don't have to do anything. If you don't have LinkFoo, then, well, I'm going to go over this in another video. But if you don't have LinkFoo, then it's real easy to add new links right here on your blog roll, the links button. You can add links there. And put in the name, the address, and the description, and you'll have a link back to your anchor text. Excuse me, not a link back to your money site with the proper anchor text. And make sure you have Platinum SEO on your blog. That's always very good to have. Let's look at some other plugins I have just real quick. I might have went over this one other time, but another really good plugin is SEO Smart Links right here. This is good. Get SEO Smart Links, and you can put in keywords keywords, go to settings in your SEO Smart Links, and you can put in a list of keywords with with the URLs that you want them to link back out to. Now, you may not ever get anything, so that's why it's always best to use this. But anyway, you know what? I'm going to make another video about backlinking, so I'm going to let it go for now. That is Content Amigo, folks. It's very simple. It's very easy to use. Don't sweat the small stuff and get her done. Thank you.